Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Ishikawa Riverside Park. Ishikawa Riverside Park is a large park along the Ishikawa River in southern Osaka. The park is in several cities such as Habikino, Tondabayashi, Kashiwara, and Kanan. Many local people visit the park to relax and enjoy nature. The park is long because it follows the river. There are green fields, walking paths, and cycling roads that people can use for outdoors activities. Visitors come to walk, run, ride bicycles, and have picnics. The wide sky and open space make the park feel calm and peaceful. The park is beautiful in every season. In spring, cherry blossoms bloom along the river. In summer, the green grass grows thick and bright. In autumn, the plants change color and make the riverside very colorful. One famous landmark in the park is Tamate River. This river was built in 1930. It's a wooden suspension bridge that has a bright red color. Today, it is used by people who walk or ride bicycles. The bridge is special because wooden suspension bridges like this are rare in Japan. Recently, the bridge became more famous because it was used as filming location for the movie Kokugo. The historic bridge and the quiet river scenery helped to create the atmosphere for the film. Because of this, some movies fans and photographers now visit the park to see the place. The park is also popular for cycling. Some visitors ride through the park to reach historical places in the Minamikawachi area. Ishikawa Riverside Park is not busy tourist attraction. It's a quiet place that shows a natural side of Osaka. It's a good place to visit if you want to relax and enjoy nature near the city. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.